Unicode Error. Unicodeescape codec can't decode bytes. Cannot open text files in Python 3. I am using Python 3.1 on a Windows 7 machine. Russian is the default system language, and UTF-8 is the default encoding. Looking at the answer to a previous question, I have attempting using the codecs module to give me a little luck. Here's a few examples. My last idea was, I thought it might have been the fact that Windows translates a few folders, such as the users folder, into Russian, though typing users is still the correct path, so I tried it in the Python 31 folder. Still, no luck. Any ideas?
The problem is with the string. Here, \uinc:\users starts an 8-character Unicode escape, such as \U00014321. In your code, the escape is followed by the characters, which is invalid. You either need to duplicate all backslashes, or prefix the string with R, to produce a raw string.
Typical error on Windows because the default user directory is /user/. Your _user, so when you want to pass this path as a string argument into a Python function, you get a Unicode error, just because the \U is a Unicode escape. If the next 8 characters after the \U are not numeric, this produces an error. To solve it, just double the backslashes, /user/, \your _user, ... This will ensure that Python treats a single backslash as a single backslashes.
Prefixing with a works very well, but it needs to be in the correct syntax. For example, no need for the.
With Python 3 I had this problem. Produced this error. The fix that worked is it seems the \U was producing an error and the preceding the string turns off the 8-character Unicode escape, for a raw string, which was failing. This is a bit of an oversimplification, but it works if you don't care about Unicode. Hope this helps someone.